On a bright sunny morning, Sarah found herself eager to explore the market for the first time. She had heard tales of the market's wonders from her friends and family and couldn't wait to see it for herself. With her mom by her side, Sarah set out on the adventure. As they walked through the lively streets, Sarah's eyes widened with excitement at the colorful stalls and the array of goods on display. The market was a hive of activity, with vendors calling out their prices and shoppers bustling about. Sarah held tightly to her mom's hand, taking in the sights and sounds around her. They went straight to where the fruits and vegetables were. Sarah was amazed by all the colorful fruits and veggies, like red apples and purple grapes. She happily helped her mom choose the best ones, making sure they got the tastiest fruits and the crunchiest vegetables. Moving on, they entered the lively food area, where the smell of cooking filled the air. Sarah's tummy growled as she looked at the delicious food being cooked, like hot dumplings, tasty kebabs, and yummy snacks. Sarah and her mom got a tasty meal from one of the food stalls. They found a table nearby and sat down to eat together. Sarah loved every bite of the yummy food from the market. She enjoyed the flavors a lot. After their meal, they continued to explore the market, browsing through clothing stalls, toy shops, and artisan crafts. Sarah's eyes sparkled with delight as she admired the handmade treasures and unique trinkets on display. As the day ended, Sarah felt really happy. The market was even better than she imagined. It was so lively and colorful, and she found so many new things she liked. She couldn't wait to come back again. With a happy smile on her face, Sarah walked hand in hand with her mom, already looking forward to their next adventure at the market.